welcome back to our channel. Today we are going to share the recipe of mini cake that you can make on occasions of birthdays, anniversaries, and of course when you have craving for something sweet like we always do. And this cake would be cooked in microwave and just in 3 minutes. And of course this is going to be eggless. So let's start baking. The ingredients you will need are as follows. Let's start mixing the ingredients. First of all, add 6 tablespoons of maida, then 5 tablespoons of sugar, now add 2 tablespoons of cocoa powder. Using a whisk, mix your ingredients well. After you have mixed your ingredients, add 6 teaspoons of butter in your dry mixture. And also add half teaspoon of baking powder and 1/4 teaspoon of baking soda. Now, using a whisk, mix your ingredients well. After you have mixed your ingredients, it's time to add milk. Add 8 tablespoons of lukewarm milk. Mix it well. Now it's time to grease our container in which we are going to bake our cake. Grease your container well from the corners and the sides so that your cake does not stick to the corners after baking. After you have greased your container, it's time to sieve your batter. After sieving the batter, put the batter into the microwave for about 3 minutes and see the magic happen.